Hey there! If you're diving into a new project, you know how crucial it is to start with a rock-solid project charter. But what exactly makes a charter not just good, but great in 2024? Let's break it down. First up, what is a project charter? Simply put, it's a document that outlines your project's core elements. It's your project's compass, ensuring everyone from your team to stakeholders knows the direction you're heading. Now, how do you craft one that sets you up for success? Step 1. Define your project's vision and mission. This isn't just corporate jargon. It's about clarifying your project's purpose. Ask yourself, what change are we trying to bring about? Or what problem are we solving? This clarity will guide your project through its life cycle. Next, let's talk about objectives. Your objectives should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's improving customer satisfaction by 15% within a year or launching a new product by Q3, SMART objectives will keep your project on track. Moving on to scope. This is about being clear on what's in and what's out. Ever heard of scope creep? That's when your project starts to include things it wasn't originally supposed to. And trust me, it can derail even the best planned projects. So be explicit about the boundaries of what you are doing. Stakeholders. Know who they are and what they care about. Your charter should list key stakeholders and outline their roles and responsibilities. Remember, keeping your stakeholders engaged and informed can make or break your project. Now let's not forget about risks. Identifying potential risks and having a mitigation plan ready is like having an insurance policy. It doesn't prevent challenges, but it prepares you to handle them effectively. Budgets and resources are also key components of your charter. Clearly outline what resources are needed and ensure the budget reflects this. This transparency helps prevent resource allocation issues down the line. Last but not least, approval. Your project charter isn't complete until it's signed off by all key stakeholders. This formal approval isn't just a formality, it's a commitment from everyone involved that they understand and support the vision of the project. In conclusion, a winning project charter in 2024 isn't just a document, it's a blueprint for success. It aligns your team, informs your stakeholders, and guides your project from conception to completion. So take the time to craft it carefully, and you'll lay the groundwork for a project that not only meets, but exceeds expectations. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights on making your projects shine. Until next time, keep managing and keep excelling.